At the Gemstone Therapy Institute, we recognize 20 systems of the body. A few of them are not recognized by Western medicine, and one of those is called the Pericardium System. In this video, let's take a look at the energetic functions of the pericardium and the healing gemstones that vitalize them.
The pericardium is a thin, layered membrane that surrounds and protects the heart. It also keeps the heart positioned in the chest cavity and prevents it from overexpanding if blood volume increases. The pericardium system relates to the pericardium membrane in function only. The pericardium system works energetically within the layers of the aura to guard and protect us from non-physical intrusions. These can be anything from judgmental thoughts directed at us, to psychic attack, to harmful electromagnetic radiation. The pericardium can extend its protective abilities throughout the aura to focus on our emotional body, memory, mind, or intuition. This system also serves to maintain personal boundaries. When we want to feel safe and invulnerable, it's our pericardium system that steps forward. If we are the target of anger or jealousy, the pericardium system guards us and deflects the harmful emotions away. Another function of the pericardium system is to help us act on our inner guidance. The pericardium speaks the language of the heart's intelligence. It broadcasts information about the heart's guidance and perceptions so that you're more likely to act on them. The vitalizing gemstone for the pericardium system is pink tourmaline because it too has protective properties. Pink tourmaline is paired with its symbiotic, white tourmaline. Wearing pink tourmaline with white tourmaline strengthens the boundaries of your emotions, memory, and mind. It can help you maintain your own version of the past and your own creative ideas. Then they're less likely to be compromised or influenced by others who may want to impose their ideas. White tourmaline builds matrix. When paired with pink tourmaline, it helps you heal, fortify, and maintain a strong boundary around yourself to contain and gather your own energies and deflect the negative and overwhelming energies of others. Wearing pink tourmaline with white tourmaline can give you energetic support to help you strengthen your energetic boundaries. Protect yourself from harmful electromagnetic radiation. Strengthen and find harmony with your feminine energies. Pink tourmaline offers special benefits for women. It enhances your femininity within a safe and protected space, helps you balance your feminine and masculine energies, and lets you feel less vulnerable and more emotionally balanced during hormonal cycles. It can also help you to find harmony with the masculine energies in your life. Men who wear pink tourmaline with white tourmaline also appreciate the protection these gemstones offer. Besides that, this formula can help men reconcile their feminine energies with their masculine, because everyone has both.
My name is Isabel Morton. I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute, and I invite you to learn more about pink tourmaline and our systems approach for selecting the right gemstone for you. See the links in the information box below this video screen if you'd like more information.
Follow the links in the information box below this video screen to learn more.